Meaning of greatcoat.
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 Greatcoat. A greatcoat is a type of heavy overcoat typically worn by soldiers or outdoor workers to protect against cold and inclement weather conditions. It is usually made of wool or other heavy fabrics and can extend from the neck down to the ankles. The word greatcoat first appeared in the late 18th century and has since become synonymous with durable and practical outerwear. Due to its military origins, the greatcoat has also come to symbolize strength, resilience, and preparedness for harsh conditions. Overall, the greatcoat is a functional and enduring piece of clothing that has stood the test of time.